Good morning, students. Welcome in science class. Hope you all of you are fit and fine. Chapter 8 we are doing today, third part. In that we will do the discussion of skull, backbone and the rib cage. The bony part. Bony part means made up of bones of our head is called skull. In yesterday's video you had seen that skeleton. Skeleton consists of skull, backbone, rib cage, shoulder bones. So one by one we will describe all these human parts in detail. So first we are starting with the skull. In Hindi we call it as a khopri or the kapal. The skull is made up of 22 bony plates. In form 5 you had drawn the figure of the skull. Plates you had drawn. So all these 22 bones, it is made up of plates. It looks like a plates, all that bones. They are joined together. 22 bony plates are joined together. Our brain is inside the skull in its upper part. So brain is inside the skull on the upper part. The brain is made of soft tissues. You know, brain is made up of very soft tissues. It could be damaged without hard covering. So, bones of the skull, they form the strong case around the brain that protect the brain. In this way, skull protects the brain. So, main function of the skull is to protect the brain because the brain is made up of the soft tissues and it protects the brain. The lower part of the skull, as you see in the figure 2, the human skull, beside it is given, on the lower part of the skull contains the face bones. Our face has sense organs such as eyes, ears and nose. See, here they had labeled and given eyes, ears and the nose. The skull, they also protects the main sense organs like eyes, ears and nose. So upper part of the skull, they protect the brain, and the lower part of the skull, they protect the sense organs like eyes, ears and the nose. These are the two main functions of the skull. Eyes are contained in two large cavities. See here the eye socket it is given. It is called the eye sockets in the front of the skull. If you touch your eyes on that, beside that, near that eye, you will feel that hard like substance, that is the eye socket, and inside that socket your eyes are protected. So from all this discussion, now we came to know that what is the skull. If I say write skull, so you can write the body part of our head is called the skull. It is made up of 22 bony plates and the functions of the skull. Here 3 points which are given. These are the 3 main functions of the skull. Skull protects the brain. Skull protects the sense organs of the face like eyes, ears and nose. And skull, they gives shape to our head. Imagine if the skull won't be there, what would be the shape of your head? It would be shapeless. So it protects the brain, it gives the shape to your head, and it also protects the sense organs like eyes, ears and nose. Next parts of the human skeleton, that is the backbone. Now this you can do it if you put your fingers at the center of the back of our body, at the back side of your body. Exactly put the finger on the center of the back side of your body and move them up and down. ऊपर से नीचे तक आप उसको feel करो. We will feel a hard and the long structure in the back of our body. This is our backbone or spine. We call it as a spinal cord or the backbone. The backbone, what is the backbone? Here this dark bold letter, that is the answer. The backbone is a long, hollow, rod-like structure running from neck to the hips inside our body. See here the figure it is given. What is the backbone? The backbone is a long, hollow, rod-like structure running from the neck to the hips. Neck से लेके hip तक जो rod-like structure it is running, that is called the backbone. At the last it will look like a tail. See, complete figure of that backbone. The scientific name of the backbone is different. It is known as the vertebral column. So sometimes I will speak vertebral column, sometimes I will speak the backbone, and it also cover the spinal cords. Backbone forms main supporting structure of the body. Backbone is the main supporting structure of your body. Backbone is not a single bone. वो एक बोन से नहीं बना है. Backbone is made up of 33 small bones placed one over the other. The same you had studied in Form 5 also. Again, backbone is made up of 33 small bones. It is placed one over the other, and you have drawn the figure of the backbone also. The small bones which make up the backbone are called vertebrae. The singular vertebrae is vertebra. Between the various vertebrae, that small that see that labeled figure it is given, that rectangular shape vertebra you see there. Between the various vertebra of the backbone are the disc of cartilage, means the soft bones. दो वर्टिब्रा के बीच में डिस्क आती है कार्टिलेज की, and they are the soft bones. Cartilages are the soft bones. And what is the work of this cartilage? This disc allows the vertebra to move slightly and enable the backbone to bend forwards and backwards without the jerk. Because of this cartilage disc only, your backbone is moving forward and backwards also, because they are in between the two vertebra. Cartilage discs are present, see in the figure. However, the backbone was made up of only one long bone. We would not be able to bend our body. Imagine if backbone is made up of only one bone, then we won't be able to bend our body. Please note that this you have to keep in your mind, that the first 7 vertebrae of the backbone, they form our neck. The first 7 vertebrae, total 33 vertebrae are there in your backbone, and from this 33 vertebra, first 7 vertebra neck से जो start करते हो, उसमें से पहले 7 vertebra है, they form the neck. Our backbone supports, our backbone. Again, backbone is made up of 33 bones. So first 7 bones are made up of neck. पहले 7 है वो neck में आते हैं. Our backbone is made up of 33 bones. First 7 bones they are in the neck. Our backbone supports the head at its top. This backbone, which is made up of 33 vertebrae, 33 bones, from the top side it supports our head. It gives the support to your head. First 7, first at its top. The shoulder bones, the rib bones and the hip bone are all joined to the backbone. See that previous video of the skeleton? In that you can see all that shoulder bones, rib bones and hip bone, all these are joined to that backbone. Next line. Each vertebra has a hole in it, Each vertebra, they are having hole in it. Due to this, there is a hollow center or the cavity inside the backbone. and the spinal cord, that the main nerve from that brain passes inside the hollow cavity of the backbone. इसमें cavity रहती है backbone में, and through that spinal cord that is known as the main nerve, it passes through this hollow cavity of the backbone. So backbone also protects the spinal cord from the damage, and the spinal cord is very very important. It gives the support to your spinal cord also, and they also protects the spinal cord from the damage. So from this we came to the conclusion that what are the functions of the backbone in our body. First, provides main support to the body. Second point, supports the head at its top. Third, attaches shoulder bones, ribs and the hip bone. Fourth, backbone protects the spinal cord. In your Form 5 textbook also, skeleton you had studied, there also it is labeled figure given. If you are having that book, you can keep it open and you can take the help of that also, and everything it is given there also. Rib cage. If we take a deep breath, hold it for a while and move our hand on our chest, we will find a number of bones in the chest region. And those who are very thin and lean, in that literally you can count that ribs. The chest bones are called ribs. Bones are called the ribs. Ribs are covered bones in our chest. It is a covered type. It is a cage type. Rib always exists in pairs. There are 12 pairs of ribs in the chest of our body. There is also a small bone called breastbone in the chest region. You can see previous video also, or you can see here also. See this breastbone. There is also a small bone called the breastbone in the chest region. Chest region में breastbone आता है in the front of our body. One end of all the ribs is joined to the backbone and their other end is joined to the breastbone. One end is joined to the breastbone and other end is joined to the backbone. In this way, all the rib bones of a part of a backbone and the breastbone to form a bony cage like a structure. So the hollow bony structure formed by the ribs is called the rib cage. So what is the rib cage? Hollow bony structure formed by ribs is called rib cage. See this figure given here. You know, some important internal organs are protected by the rib cage, like heart, lungs and the liver. It also supports or also take part in the breathing movement. So these are the main functions of the rib cage. So from this we came to know that what are the functions of the rib cage. Rib cage first function, protects the internal organs of the body such as heart, lungs and liver. Second, rib cage takes part in our breathing movements. So students, today we had discussed the three parts: skull, backbone and the rib cage. And in today's prep you have to write skeleton. What is skeleton? With the help of uploaded video, previous video, skeleton, the bony framework. Again I am repeating if you had forgot. What is a skeleton? Bony framework inside our body is called skeleton. It consists of skull, backbone, ribs, breastbone, shoulder bones, hip bones, arm, leg bones, etc. And what are the functions of the skeleton? Second question, it will be skull and its function, backbone and its function, rib cage and its function. Okay students, thank you very much.